Hey everybody, so we're always talking about where to live and what to do in Philadelphia. Today we're going to have some fun in Dilworth Park. We're talking about Philadelphia Marketplace. We're right here in downtown, beautiful Center City, the center of the city. Now we are on 15th Street and what? 15th and what? If you know the answer, put it in the comment down below, and I'll thank you very kindly. So anyhow, we're checking out Philadelphia Marketplace, Center City, City Hall, Dilworth Park. Now, what do we got going on behind us here? Let's see if we can get you a good shot. You got multiple vendors here all day long. So you want to take a little trip, say hi to the mayor, and maybe buy some local items from local vendors. Now they will rotate throughout the day, so say hi to mayor, come out, take a walk through the park, grab some local fare, and enjoy yourself. All right guys, so Center City, Dilworth Park. Now this is Dilworth Park is named after one of our district attorneys. He made you feel 10 feet tall. Now who else could do that? They got a little park cafe here, right? You got places to sit with the kids. You got some cool benches rocking. You've got this air grill garden. So I don't think you want to necessarily see me the whole time, but I'll take you on a little tour. But you got to check this out. I'm going to try not to stand too close. But if you want to cool off on a hot day, that's one of the hottest days of the year right now. I think tomorrow's going to be the hottest. It's just about 95 degrees out, but not here in Center City, not here in City Hall. All right, so you want to have a good time in the summer. Now this happens a few times throughout the year, even up in the winter time. Now it's a beautiful day out today, so don't forget to check out Dilworth Park Café. Got some delicious items in there, but the main reason why we're here today is checking out Dilworth Park here at the Philadelphia Marketplace. Got local vendors throughout. Come past the cafe this way. Got friendly Philadelphians out here loving to seeing what they're seeing. So the vendors will rotate, as I mentioned before, and this runs pretty much all day. Now we just got started here as it's just a little bit past 12 noon, but we've got some great jewelry, some super fantastic handmade baskets and hats. You're going to need a hat like this today, on a beautiful day like this, and a hot day like this. Now Dilworth Park is just downtown Center City, right conveniently located outside City Hall. Anybody knows the name of that guy at the top there? Not sure. Penn something or other, right?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
The other side of the park, where the vendors are not staged, they have some swing sets which are always here. You want to just chill out, read a book, hang out. The park is open late. It's open dusk till dawn, but they will let you hang out here at night too. They got a certain coffee shop there at the other side. It's always a great place to have a little lunch.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
I say fellow like I'm famous. This guy. I love that guy. That guy's standing right in the water fountain. Hopefully he doesn't get hit. So if you're thinking of taking a tour of City Hall is open all day long. Tours are welcome. That'll get you right through to the Broad Street Run. Now, I do want to mention the Ritz-Carlton for everybody. Also, the residences at Ritz-Carlton. A couple of these are for sale. We actually showed some of these the other day. Got a beautiful site. Beautiful view of City Hall. Some people don't like getting wet. I hope you enjoyed that, everybody, as much as I did. Stop on down City Hall, Dilworth Park, Center City. Check out our local vendors. Have a great day at the park. You can have a cold beverage, some ice cream, maybe some water ice or an adult beverage too. If you enjoyed hearing about some local things happening in this area at this moment, this weekend, let us know. Hit us a comment down below. If you have any questions about Philadelphia in general, we're your local real estate expert and your local information experts too. I think I'm gonna go hit the water fountain now.